and Hood counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations throughout the North Texas area. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for southwestern Parker County and northern Hood County until 8 o'clock. Severe thunderstorm was located over Western Lake, about 10 miles north of Granbury. It's nearly stationary, but it may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Granbury, Oak Trail, Shores, Horseshoe Bend, Tin Top, Lake Granbury, all in the warning area and possibly the path of this storm, although it is slow moving. This also includes sections of Interstate 20 between mile markers 393 and 394. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Parker and northern Hood counties until 8 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm is located over Western Lake, or about 10 miles north of Granbury. It's nearly stationary, but may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. A quick radar summary for you here. Moving to the northwest. While we have the storm near Lightband, just on the other side of I-20 from the north, has a thunderstorm moving to the southeast. And we have one by Stephenville that's moving to the southeast. Glen Rose moving to the southeast, and a couple other storms around. But this particular storm is nearly stationary and may be moving slightly to the northwest. It's probably not going to reach Weatherford within the warning time, but it's a 1-hour severe thunderstorm warning, which indicates the slow movement of this storm. Again, thunderstorms around Glen Rose, north of Stephenville, and north of Lightband. Most of these moving to the southeast. But again, the storm south of Weatherford is moving slightly to the north, nearly stationary, and could drop a lot of rain just north of Granbury. We'll keep you advised. Live from the WBAP Weather Center, meteorologist Brad Hogan. Politico, this is from June 4, 2015.
Stay away from windows.
It's a jolly summer wedding. See, this guy Jolly